Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Sri Pushkar Chemicals Limited. I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. So let's analyze the chart on technical basis. So this is a monthly chart of Sri Pushkar Chemicals. In monthly chart, the stock shows a good technicals because look at the listing. From the listing, it took a big bull run for more than 3 times the investment, and it fell to the same level and got bottomed on COVID fall. The stock once again came to the same price range of 70. So this is basically a good stock with good financials. The stock actually moved by some of the big investors, I think so. So the stock is currently at cheap valuation. So it's good to go long in the stock. Taking long term positions is also good in the stock. And let me analyze the stock in further. So let me draw the major confluence area in the stock. So this line can be considered as the major confluence area because acted as a support for many times and acted as a resistance many times in the same price range. So this can be taken as the major confluence area in the stock, and the stock is also quite bullish in these days. Look at the volume in the stock. The volume is similar to the bull run. See, the volumes are rising and the volumes are good at the breakout range, and the sellers are quite strong, but the bulls are stronger than sellers. They didn't allow the price to come below the major confluence area, so it's a bullish sign in the stock. And let me erase all this. So let's analyze the stock on weekly basis. So this is the line that I have drawn in the monthly chart. So this zone area can be considered as the most important zone for this stock, and the stock actually is with great respect for this price range. Let me analyze the weekly chart in further. Look at the support and resistance areas. The stock took many times as a support region. This region is most important region in the stock, and currently the stock is currently traded above the resistance area. So it's really good to go along in the stock, and I'm also considering a investment in the stock. Currently the stock is in cheap valuations and the stock may give a fantastic return to its investors in a very short term. And look at the technicals. See, the stock is actually taking a fantastic retracement here, and the stock is also good at breakout. The breakout candle on the weekly chart is very good. So this area can be considered as the great area of value. So look at the breakout candle. The breakout candle is very huge and the volume is more than average, and the retracement is also very good, and the candles are above the EMA of 21-day average. So it's good at everything. So one can go long in the stock blindly. And let's move to the daily chart now. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and so that you will get the notifications of the videos is published immediately, and like button and comment your queries and questions in the comment section, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So in the daily chart, so before trading a chart you should understand how the chart works in short term, long term. In the very short term, the stock gives a breakout and takes a retracement and once again gives a breakout. This can be taken as the major pattern followed in the stock. So the stock can be taken for swing trade purposes. So going long in the stock is very good, and the stock is also good for investment purposes. So go long if the stock breaks the price range of 190. 190 can be taken as the entry for the stock. And let me use the fib extension tool to analyze the price target for the stock. So one can take entry above 190 price range, and the price range of 220 can be taken as the target for the stock. This is the target for very short term, but for the long term the all-time high of the stock can be taken as the target. So taking all-time high as the target, we will get a return of more than 70%. This will happen within few weeks if the stock moves up from the consolidation area. So one can focus on long term also, and in very short term the stock will yield a small return which is around the price range of 222, which gives a 22% return on investment for entry above 190 price range. And for long term one can focus the previous all-time high as a target for the stock. And that's all for today. Subscribe and like and comment and grow with us. Thank you.